Growing research has demonstrated the beneficial impact of nutrition as a preventative strategy for reduced risk of cognitive decline and for the maintenance of executive function. By simply taking a daily, high-quality multivitamin, you can help ensure adequate intake of 4 very important nutrients that work to keep the nuts and bolts in your brain tight. These 4 nutrients include the B vitamins. B vitamins help to prevent slow or even reverse deterioration in memory and other mental capacities. Folate, B6, and B12 help to preserve and protect the integrity of the central nervous system. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential to the production of neurotransmitters that affect the ability to focus, concentrate, and remember. They also control mood, sleep, cravings, addictions, and more. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is necessary for normal brain development in utero as well as throughout childhood. Vitamin D activates and deactivates enzymes in the brain and cerebrospinal fluid involved in neurotransmitter synthesis and nerve growth. Omega-3 essential fatty acids. Omega-3 essential fatty acids are vital for the maintenance of normal brain development and function throughout life. Low levels of omega-3s may accelerate brain aging and contribute to defects in brain function.